Is your Adobe apps broken by the Shockwave Flash Objects DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. As we prepare to resolve Shockwave Flash Objects, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Shockwave Flash Objects, the Shockwave Flash Object COM library. It provides the unmanaged ActiveX interface required to host Flash content within Internet Explorer or third-party containers. It manages the orchestration of SWF bitstream manifests and hardware-accelerated rendering. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Shockwave Flash Objects is part of a game or graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX components, then update your GPU drivers if the file is hardware-accelerated. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Shockwave Flash Objects, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Shockwave Flash Objects DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for Shockwave Flash Objects. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Shockwave Flash Objects. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.